Welcome. This is a CKS topic, auditing enable audit logging. So audit logging just means the API server keeps a diary of every request it receives and handles. So if someone says, "Hey, create a pod, delete this secret, give me info about this node," the API server writes it down in the audit logs. Who asked, why they asked, and what the response was. It's like a CCTV for your cluster. You can replay later who did, what did, and when did. So, audit login in Kubernetes. When anyone talks to API server, kubectl, kubelet controller, or external user, the API server can write a record of that request. This record is an audit log. It tells you who made the request, what action they tried, get, list, create, delete, etc. On which resources. There are many resources, so on which resources this is applied, that is pod, secret, or node, and what happened, it's allowed, it denied, or what action is taken. And audit login is controlled by two main parts. First is audit policy and second is audit log backend flag. So audit policy, think it's like a rule book for what to record. Inside this YAML file you can decide don't log anything for some request, log only metadata, user, verb, resources, etc. Log request body, the full object they sent, and log response body, the object return. For example, you may log everything about the secret but only metadata for the pod. But if you want to log everything, then the files are so much in size. So audit log backend flag. There are extra options given to the Kube API server to control where and how the logs are stored. Audit log path, the actual file path. Audit log max size is how big, and audit log max backup means how many logs files to keep as a backup, because these are generated, so need to delete, also need to clean up space also. So together policy is what to write and backend flags where to write and how to keep. So in short, audit policy is a CCTV system and log backend flags are the footage where CCTV footage, how big each file can be and how many old recording you can keep before deleting it. So let's look this in detail and configure the API server for audit logging. The log path should be this on the host and inside the container. The existing audit policy to use is at this policy.yaml. The path should be the same as the host and inside the container. Set argument is this, max size is 7 and audit log is max backup is 2. So what our aim is: enable audit login in the Kube API server. Ensure that log is saved as this audit logs. Ensure that policy is applied from this etc Kubernetes audit policy / policy.yaml, and configure the log rotations. These. So in simple words, we wanted API service to start keeping a CCTV diary for all requests with proper rules and storage limits. So let's prepare the host. So create a directory. I'll just paste here. So this command is executed, means I don't need that sudo -i. But if this doesn't work, then you should elevate your permissions. So cd /etc kubernetes audit log, you'll find this audit log. So cd directory is available. Now chmod +700 /etc kubernetes audit logs. Now ls-l etc kubernetes audit policy.yaml. This is available. Now edit this paste. So instruction are already given that need to add this volumes under the volumes. So I'll come here, search for volumes, here volumes. Now I here to paste. So I press O and Control Shift V. So the indentation lost, but I'll delete this. I'll normal mode double D that. Now this is streamline. Great. Now I have to make a volume mounts, and in volume mounts I search volume mount. Here I have to paste So I press O and I'll paste. Here that indentations are lost. So I escape. I press small v. So I'm in the line mode. I'll select it till here and then right. So here one indentation is left. Need to delete. So this is great. You need to learn Vim because that will help you to do these things at very fast. So add a command. So we'll directly go to the command and now here I press O and I'll paste. So this already pasted with no issues. So I can escape WQ before changing before doing anything in for the YAML file. You must have their backup also, because if you have messed with the files, really you will lose your exam. So it's edited. So watch, click, paste. So cube API server, just control C. I'll grep cube API. Yes, so I think it's all running. Cube API server is running. So I can get pods hyphen and cube system. So it's running. Controller now verify line by line. That's paste. So this is the audit log, size, devices. This is the permission set read write, and this is the created and access modified change. Second, what we'll do, we'll cat this policy.yaml paste. What this is showing that cat this YAML file and grep that audit policy file policy.yaml. So it is here. Great. Now means whatever things paste require. So you'll see means things are correctly done or not, because we have done these changes. So it is confirming these changes, and now check validation successful means correctly we have solved this audit log killer coda scenario. So thanks. I know this is not well done, but we'll try to explain it whenever I create a CKS course. Thank you so much for your love and support.